Small homes gain dramatically more usable storage when built-in closet organizer systems are fitted to maximize every inch. Start by measuring height, width, and depth precisely, and sketch a simple plan dividing the space into zones for long garments, short garments, accessories, and shoes. Choose modular shelving and hanging rods, so you can shift shelves and rod heights without cutting materials. Pick 3/4-inch shelves for strength and edge banding to resist wear. For double hang systems, place the lower rod at about 42 inches from the floor, and the upper rod roughly at 84 inches so folded garments or stacked items fit between shelves. If your ceiling is lower, reverse the spacing and use narrower shelf depths to avoid crowding. Use pull-out drawers for items that need containment such as undergarments and socks. Soft, close slides reduce noise and protect fabric. Install shoe cubbies with adjustable dividers so you can change the spacing for boots or flats and keep shoes visible to reduce repeats. Add sliding baskets and valet rods to create temporary staging for outfits and to store linens where airflow is needed. Choose baskets with solid bottoms for small items and wire for breathability. 3 common mistakes are treating the closet like a single-purpose box, locking in wasted vertical space, and poor sight lines. Fix this by zoning vertically and keeping daily items at eye level. Another mistake is overloading hanging rods without supporting centers, which causes sagging and damaged garments. Add a center support or use heavier gauge rods rated for higher weight. A third issue is using fixed, deep shelving that buries items and creates dead space. Replace some deep shelves with pull-out drawers or sliding baskets so items are accessible and inventory is obvious. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting users list projects, request quotes, and share work preferences so we can match needs and availability. We also help contractors find leads, showcase their work, and join our active discussion community where members exchange tips, plans, and contractor recommendations.